policy where no one will lose their jobs and employment and we will secure their jobs. So, but now people are losing their faith just because of nowadays the everything is going spoiled. As we know that we can take the example from the another country where the Mr. Morris was the prime minister of Iraq and the people was not happy.
Mohammed Morsi.
Mohammed Morsi.
Yeah.
The people was not happy just because of their policies.
His policy.
His policies.
Yeah.
His policies because he was not doing the work for the country. He was doing work for his own life. So people got fed up. That's why they have decided to
Pushed him.
Pushed them. So after that, we can take the example from the Pakistan. Pervez Musharraf, he was declared the terrorist in his country. Where he was the achievement of prime minister, but no one was caring about his achievement and his position. And people filed against him because he was not doing the work for the people. He was doing the work for the terrorism. And obviously terrorism is not for the good of the nation. It will not build the nation. And just these kinds of policies he was pushed from his position, and
He brought in the country, and that's why the people and they were not satisfied.
They were not satisfied. And the media houses, in the Pakistan law, court has decided he is
He will be executed.
He will be executed. He will go to prison. But after when he was fighting the court, so he got the cardiologist problem, and now he is settled in the UAE. But his treatment is going on. Whenever he will come back in Pakistan, he will go to prison, and whatever the court has decided for his crime, he will get. He
will be punished.
He will be punished.
Do you want to say something about the privatizations, and this is the privatization?
Privatization
Is that lucrative for the public or not?
If we have seen that now people are losing the jobs, opportunities, and people our economy going to down and down every day. And as we know that our India is going struggling in the economy. But in this situation, government is not thinking about the current situation, and he is thinking about to this person, and it's going privatization. But we haven't seen any benefits of privatization. As we know that everything is going high, like the railway got privatization, and it's now we can see that the fare of of Indian Railway and
banking sectors,
banking sector, and lots of bank. We had 54 banks. Now we have just selected bank which is working, and lots of bank going bankrupt. And we can see that before 2014, now when we speak about the
no problem. I'll ask from you next. Okay. You tell me now. What do you want to tell? Something about that privatizations.
From last 2 days, the banks are closed and the bank employees are strike. Finance. As we all know that the finance minister has announced that the banks are to strike. The UFU bank, United, all we know that the 9 banks are included in this organization. And also the finance minister announced that the banks are privatized. And as we all know that in 2014 the Modi Sarkar,
Modi.
government also announced that
it should be good
everything
of
are in
our
our
country,
country.
but
Yeah.
when
Everything is in our country.
Will be saved.
Yeah,
if
and
our
safe,
economy is
and
not,
nothing, and nothing is just sell out. All are,
Nothing will be sold.
nothing will be sold.
Yeah.
But nowadays the commitment are loose and all the news that the private sectors,
Yeah.
all these just in the hand of the private sectors.
Yeah.
For the private sectors, it's
now the
in
petrol price
my
is already
in
going
my
high,
experience, I have
which is
do
impact
that
on
also in
everyone's
corporate
life when
offices.
the
Yeah.
Also in the
petrol
private
diesel price
sectors,
goes-
all in the
goes
employees.
high.
Yeah.
For the labor
And,
class, no one knows
as
what is
when we
happening for the
compare
labor class.
from
Yeah.
the US,
All the things are in the private
in
sector,
the
so
US,
all, a one man hold
everyone
all the
has a
things.
basic salary.
In one man, no one knows the government rules, no one knows the government rules, the ESI,
Yeah.
the ESI, the PF, these are facilities are from the government sector.
Yeah.
This is not provided for the labor class. Because the all things are, as we know that the COVID is
annual salary.
going,
And
the last
their
year is the
petrol price is 60 rupees
some
liter. And now we can see that our country, in our country,
they give
our
the salaries to the
individual
employees,
person
but other no
estimated
one gives
salary
the
is,
salaries. And as we hear that in the televisions, the
Yes.
government announced that
1.50,000
no one deduct
per
the
annual
salaries
per
and no
person
one
salary.
refuse
And
the
our
employed to the
petrol
company.
price
Yeah.
is 100 rupees. So
Still, we are confronting this type of the problem.
Yes.
that is
Yeah.
The strikes. That's why the bank employees
Yeah.
in our country.
take this strike.
Okay,
because-
here. Yeah, have gone at the rampage. Have gone at the rampage. Okay, discuss. Yes, okay. Okay, tell me.
So
Yeah.
currently
You sit over there and discuss. Have the
currently government
discussion.
are currently government are privatized many type of agency like LIC, Railway, Air
Yeah.
India and
Yeah.
bank.
Why are you doing like this? Shaking your body. Yeah.
Air India, Railway, bank and
Yeah.
bank
Yes.
and LIC. Today we will talk about to bank privatization.
Yeah.
So Modi Sarkar we are
Modi government.
Modi government we are currently privatize currently decide to we
Privatized. Privatized.
We privatize the bank.
Yeah.
Banks.
Yeah.
So in this
Do
bank-
discussion. You should not waste your time.
We privatize the bank. In this bank, the many employees are working there,
And they
they are
they have been terminated
they have been terminated
from their ploy.
from their
Ploy.
currently finance minister Sitaraman, Nirmala Sitaraman are telling to we are privatized to
We have privatized.
we have privatized.
We will privatize two more.
Privatized two more bank in this year. So we are think this is a
We should think.
we should think we are this is a very big problem because everything more Modi Sarkar will everything,
Modi government and they are
Modi
selling.
government will everything are giving to private hands, giving agencies to private hands.
Yeah.
And he tell to reason because
Okay.
every agencies was every year doing
Most of that agencies will be merged. Have got the loss.
have got a
Most
very
of the
big-
agencies or the companies and that they have got the loss.
they have got the loss and
Yeah.
very big margin. In very big margin, so every government, the government take this type of.
Okay, now another student you should. Yeah.
I saw India privatization has been
Has been done.
has been done
Yeah.
all agencies, all all agencies or government banks
Yeah.
has been privatization
Have been privatized.
have been privatized.
Yeah.
So
Hmm.
India has been
Yeah.
lost.
India is at the loss.
India is at the loss
Yeah.
at the privatized
Hmm.
at the privatized
Yeah.
privatized. You saw
Yeah.
some people problems. You saw some people problems.
We have seen.
We have seen some people problems and in a privatized
Yeah.
petrol
Yeah.
petrol
And the some other sector
petrol and some other sector price been high
have been hiked.
have been high
Hmm.
have been high.
Hmm.
So privatized
Is not good.
is not good. It's not good. Privatized has been
Yeah.
normal.
Yes.
Normal family.
Yeah. Are facing the problem.
Normal family are facing the some problem.
Okay. Yes. You tell me. You there.
That's
Discussion.
we cannot
Yeah.
purchase
Yeah.
our sand to country.
Yeah.
At this time we are not a privatization because some very low bank of the government has but all the high banks has been
Discussion, do
has been
discussion.
privatized to some people. That is very bad.
Yeah.
And that we see
We have seen.
we have seen that
Yeah.
in other countries
Yeah.
the rate of the fuel is very low. But
Yeah.
in our country the rate of the fuel is very high.
Yeah.
This is very bad.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
some student has lost his job because it's privatized. And who have job, he will think that next day I should leave my job.
Yeah.
So this privatization is very bad.
Yeah.
That we have seen
Okay.
in Iran.
Mohammad Morsi.
Mohammad Morsi,
He was ousted
he was still
while he was not working properly.
he was not working properly. And Iran's company.
Do discussion. What are you doing? You did not tell properly.
Iran people
Dragged him
drag him to
from his post. Okay. Tell me. Yeah. Yeah. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
We have privatized the
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. I ate the cruciness. Ate the cruciness. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
privatization.
Yes. Okay.
Privatization all the agencies. What is the reason? America
Okay.
and
Yes, this is the Stepping Stone Coaching Institute, and where I have been running from a long time. And the existence of this coaching is that 2000 and many or the plenty of the students they have already learned, and that I want to continue, and that I want to join you also. You have seen that the few students they have already learned and they have spoken very well, but the few students they are trying very well, and obviously you can also join, and that you will be able to avail this our opportunity of that Stepping Stone Coaching Institute. Thank you so much.